Hi, this is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the Ateco number 615 rotating cake turntable. This is one we like, we use it all the time, and it has a lot of nice features. So as you can see, it's got a nice 12-inch diameter, right? So it's good for working on even large projects. It has a nice, sensitive, easy, wonderful spin and flow to it, right? It's a nice smooth glide, and it's actually so sensitive that we had to re-level the table because I noticed when I started putting stuff on it, it was a little off the table, so it was making it spin slightly. So you just want to be careful to make sure it's on a nice level surface before you use it. Also, if you're used to using a turntable that has a lock on it, this one might take a little getting used to. So if you're looking for a lock feature, just keep in mind that this one doesn't have one. It does, though, have a lot of really great features. It's all metal, it's aluminum, it's nice, it has a good weight, it can hold a lot of weight and still glide really, really smoothly. It's a beautiful sturdy base that also comes with a second piece, right? So it's just a little no-slip, right, silicone pad that goes underneath that'll keep it from moving around on metal surfaces while you're working, which is wonderful. It also has a series of concentric rings on the top. The inside one is 8 inches, then there's one at 9 and at 10. And this is gonna help you when you're centering projects on your turntable, right? The one thing I had to get used to a little bit is that when I'm working on a piece that I'm almost finished with, and if it's on its cake board, the cake boards themselves can slip some on this surface. So just make sure that I have one of my lovely little no-slip mats handy so that I can put that on while I'm working on our project, right? And those are some of the best features about one of our preferred cake turntables.